Many of you have asked me, teacher, how should I learn English effectively? My answer is simple. I highly recommend learning English through the shadowing method. But what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing is a speaking practice technique in which you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say almost immediately, just like a shadow follows a person. You don't need to translate everything into your native language. You don't need to focus on memorizing grammar rules at that moment. The most important thing is to listen, imitate, and repeat many times. Why is shadowing effective? When we learned our first language, we didn't start by memorizing grammar rules. We listened thousands of times. Then, we imitated what we heard. Gradually, we learned how to speak. Shadowing works in a very similar way. It helps you improve your pronunciation, develop more natural intonation, speak more fluently, respond more quickly, and remember vocabulary and context. How should you use my videos? Here's the method I recommend. Step 1. Watch the entire video once. Don't try to memorize anything. Just listen and understand the content. Step 2. Play the video again. This time, repeat immediately after the speaker. If you can't keep up, that's okay. Just do your best to imitate the pronunciation. Step 3. Watch the video 3 to 5 more times. Each time, speak a little louder. Try to sound more natural. Don't just read the words. Try to speak as if you're having a real conversation. Step 4. Once you become familiar with the content, pause the video after each sentence. Repeat the sentence without looking at the subtitles. If you forget, look back and continue. Step 5. Finally, try to say the entire paragraph by yourself. If possible, record your voice. Then compare your recording with the video. You'll be surprised by how quickly you improve. One very important thing. Don't study one video and immediately move on to the next one. Instead, practice with the same video for several days. For example, Day 1. Just listen. Day 2. Repeat after the speaker. Day 3. Speak without looking at the subtitles. Day 4. Talk about the topic using your own ideas. Repetition is the key to success. Is shadowing suitable for beginners? The answer is absolutely. As long as the material is easy enough. That's exactly why I create short videos with simple sentences and familiar topics such as my family, my best friend, my school, my hobby, my daily routine. You don't need to learn thousands of new words. You simply need to practice common English sentences again and again. After some time, you'll notice that your speaking becomes faster and more natural. Conclusion. If you truly want to improve your English speaking skills, spend about 10 to 15 minutes a day practicing shadowing. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect. Don't be afraid to speak slowly. The most important thing is to practice consistently every day. I hope this video series helps you become more confident when speaking English. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what topic you'd like to learn next. Have fun learning English, and I'll see you in the next video.